Hello everyone, today I'm sharing my current monthly cleaning routine, and this video is a collaboration with Madison Hopper. She is also sharing her monthly cleaning routine. Here is a clip from her video, and she makes a lot of cleaning videos just like me. She also makes family vlogs. She has 2 little boys. I will link her channel down below and also her monthly cleaning routine, so definitely go and check out her channel and subscribe. And now on to the cleaning. The first thing that I did was to wash the area rugs in both of the bathrooms and the area rug in the kitchen. First, I washed that gray area rug from our bathroom and the area rug from the kitchen together, and make sure that you read the tag on your area rugs before you put them into the washer just to see what the specific instructions are. And then I started on the dusting. So once a month I will dust the entire house, and I didn't film every area that I dusted because that would get boring for you to watch every single area that I dust in the house, so I just filmed most of the areas for you. I started off here at this coffee table. This duster that I'm using is from the Grove Collaborative website. The microfiber end on it, you can take that off and put it into the washer, which is awesome. I have been loving using this duster. It's the only duster that I use now ever since I've gotten it, and I do have a $10 off coupon for you for the Grove Collaborative website. You can get $10 off your first order. I will put that link down below. And I also want to mention that if you are coming over from Madison Hopper's channel, then welcome. I would love to have you subscribed. I make tons of cleaning videos. I also will sometimes film organizational videos or vlog style videos. Once I got all of the dusting done, I vacuumed the couches in the living room. Then I washed the 2 white throw blankets from the living room with some soap and bleach. I love to have white throw blankets because if they get spots on them, then you can just throw them in the washer with some bleach. I'm using the 7th generation bleach. And those 2 white rugs that I took from the hall bathroom to wash, I also washed those in bleach. They get spots on them easily because they're white rugs, but you just throw them in the washer with some bleach. and they will be white again and they won't have any more spots. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.